Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. And I really need to say just a Florida law firm at this point. But bottom line is, let's just go with that. All right, number 12. 12 of 50 trick ALJ questions. I did the top 20 before. I'm doing them again because I was super tired. I was doing them at like 2 a.m. I was falling asleep at the end. Number 12, the repetition trick question. Okay, ALJs are allowed, because they can do what they want, to ask a question twice, 3 times, 4 times, right? Oh, let me ask you, what's your favorite color? Oh, 20 minutes later, whoa, I don't know if we covered this. What's your favorite color? If I did that, I get yelled at, right? Fair standard, right? No, it's not. It never will be. That's life. Okay, so the ALJ, it's a trick question sometimes when they'll do this. So how much do you think you can lift? Maybe like 25 pounds. 30 minutes later in the hearing. So how much do you think you can lift? Only 10 pounds. Only 10 pounds. It's a trick question because you guys tend to give separate answers or distinct answers or different answers to the same question you had before. Remember what you said so that you can repeat it and be accurate with it. If you want to repeat it and add to it, I can lift 25 pounds once in a single day, but then thereafter I can't lift anything for the rest of the day. That's fine. But don't create a brand new answer that doesn't address the original answer you gave. All right? Very important. Now, next Thursday, the 9th at 8 p.m., I'm going to be going live on YouTube to run questions with you guys, the amazing folk of YouTube. Call the phone number, 407-279-1754. I'll put it on speaker. Give me a fake name when you call, and we'll go ahead and begin the process, and I'll read the disclaimer. All right? We now have to go on to question 13. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. If you have any questions in between now and then, shoot me an email. That's fine. And now we're on to 13. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.